Hello and welcome to paper solution of engineering drawing. This is the paper of January 2009. Myself Arpan Pandit and I am from Atmiya college. We will have brief details about this paper solution in the various parts. Let's have a look at the question number 1 first of all. When we look at the question number 1, it says that we need to divide a 69 mm long line into 6 equal parts. Now, when in exam it's asked that we need to divide a line into some amount of equal parts, then we cannot directly divide that line by dividing the distance by the required number of the parts. Now, how we are going to do this? Let's have a look at this. First of all, we will draw a 69 mm long line. Let's name this line as AB. This AB line is 69 mm long. We need to give the dimensions also. Over here I am using unidirectional method of the dimensioning. This is a 69 mm long line. Now we need to divide this line into 6 equal parts. It comes around 11 point something. It will be in the point, so we cannot divide this line properly. Now, how we can divide this line very accurately? For this, a method is there. From the point A, if you see this point A, from point number A, at any given angle, we need to draw a line of 60 mm. Why I have taken 60 mm? Because I need to divide a line into 6 equal parts, which means that 10 mm division on the each side. Let me give name to this end point as C. We have got the SE line whose dimension is 60 mm. We know that how to divide a 60 mm line, right? So 10 mm division on the each side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Name it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have divided this 60 mm line into 6 equal parts, but our main objective is to divide this 69 mm line into 6 equal parts. So how we will do this? We will join this C to B. Join this line C to B. Now, with use of the roller scale or with use of the set square, you need to plot a line from the point number 5 which intersect with the AB line from point number 5 parallel to line BC and which will intersect to the AB line. How? Let's see. I have taken this parallel, I have put set square very parallelly to this BC line. One line drawn from the point number 4, parallel line from point number 3, another parallel line, same way till point number 1. Basically this method is a sub method, you can say that. In a problem, if you need to divide any line into some equal part where you cannot find easy to get it done properly, over there you can use this method. Give nomenclature 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. So this is how you can divide a line. It's also called line division method. Very simple yet very effective and very accurate. Let me repeat this once again. We need to divide this AB line into 6 equal parts. So what I have done, I have drawn a line of 69 mm, that's AB. I need to divide this line into 6 equal parts. To do this operation, I have drawn a 60 mm line from point number A at any angle. You can choose any of the angle. You can choose either 30 degrees like this, or like this. Any angle. We know the distance of this line. This is a 60 mm line, and when we see that 60 divided by 6, which comes to 10 mm, I divided this line into 6 equal parts, 10 mm of the each division. Name it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what next? From the point number C, I have joined it to the point number B. So we have got a parallel line to that. From this point number C to B we have drawn the line. Now what we are going to do? From the point number 5 we need to draw a line which is parallel to BC but which intersect with the AB line. So we have got this line 5 5 dash. We have got one division on this 69 mm line, which would be some around 11 point something something. Same way, from point number 4, draw a line which is parallel to BC but intersect with the AB line, and so on. From point number 1, parallel line to BC, intersect with the AB. Name them 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash, and you can get your proper desired divisions of the 69 mm long line. Now let's have a look at the next question. The next question says that we need to construct a regular hexagon of side 25 by general method. Now it is the problem of this polygon. We need to construct a polygon. There are basically two types of polygons are there. We can construct polygons by two types. First would be inscribed, another would be circumscribed. Now before starting this problem, this fundamental should be very clear to all of us. Now how it works, inscribed and circumscribed, I will explain you. If we look at this problem, almost all the polygons are constructed around a circle. If it is inscribed, then any polygon which is having more than 3 sides is called polygon. So I am giving example of the square. If it construct like this, it's constructed inside the circle, so it's called inscribed polygon. It's called inscribed polygon. But when we look at the same, if we have same kind of circle, but the polygon has been constructed outside of it and the circle is inscribed, then this kind of polygon can be said as circumscribed polygon. The fundamental is very clear about this inscribed and circumscribed. Now let's have a look at this our problem. Now our problem was that we need to construct a regular hexagon of side 25 mm by general method. Now we can use general method, or it's called universal method also. Now we need to draw a hexagon of side 25. So first of all, what we are going to do, we'll draw a 25 mm line. Here I am taking 50 mm line so that proper representation can be done. But you need to take this 25 mm line itself. Now let's name it as AB. Now what we are going to do, we will bisect this line. How we can bisect the line? Pointer on point A, radius till B, arc on both the side of the line, like this. You can see one arc over here and one arc over here. Similarly, from pointer on point B, radius till point A, draw a intersecting arc. We have got the intersection. We'll join it with a very light line. We'll join it with the very light line. The bisector line where it intersect, we name it as, let's say, point number O. You can give any of the name. From O to B, take radius of O to B. And draw a semicircle. We have got this. We have got this point, intersecting point over here and intersecting point over here as well. Now why this method is called universal circle method or a general method? Because in this method only we can draw n number of polygons. Let me start with this hexagon only, as we need to draw a hexagon. Let me give nomenclature to this as point number 6. Why I am giving this point as number 6? We'll have idea in future. From point number 6 to B, take radius as point 6 to B and draw a circle. I have drawn a circle like this. Now take radius as AB. Take radius as AB. A is center. Cut an arc. Again arc. 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 Arc from the next points. Join this arc with a straight line. This is how we have got our hexagon of 6 side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. We have got 6 side hexagon over here. Now why it is called universal circle method and why I have given this point as name number 6, let me clarify. Now in the same only, if we want to draw a square, then we will name this point as point number 4. So, I am giving this name as per the number of the sides. Point number 4 to B.